Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make stir-fry black pepper chicken with celery. For the ingredient I have some sliced chicken, sliced celery, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of canned sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, some black pepper, some salt, and olive oil. Okay, right now let's get start cooking together. Okay, in the hot pan add some olive oil and then add garlic. Okay, right now put the chicken inside. Add fish sauce, add sugar, okay, after the chicken get ready to cook, so right now I'm going to add the celery inside. And then add some salt and black pepper. Okay, for the black pepper, I like to put more, but if you don't like it, you just put a little bit or you just don't put it, that's fine. Okay, right now it's almost done. Okay, and right now I'm going to turn up the heat. Okay, right now the black pepper chicken with celery is ready, so right now I'm going to try. It tastes so good. I hope you try to make this recipe at home. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it right now.